student, we discuss here enthalpy delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT equation, and relation of delta NG with delta H and delta U, how it affects this relationship. So please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe me. I will give you very good information, don't worry. Whether you subscribe me or not, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just saying that it will motivate me also, that is why. Otherwise, no problem. Effect of number of moles on enthalpy. So delta Ng more means the number of products more. How we can say it? See in this equation, here delta Ng negative, delta Ng equal. Here delta Ng more. More means number of products are more than the number of reactant. Okay, when number of products are more than the number of reactant, it is having positive value. And suppose when it is delta Ng is having positive value, at that time what will happen? At that time, delta H will be more, because delta H is equal to delta U plus all this value, because it is positive value. But when it is negative, means the number of moles of reactants are more as compared to the number of products. See here, reactants are 4 moles, products are only 2. So delta Ng will be equal to -2. Okay, because reactants are more, and formula is sum of products mole minus sum of reactant moles. So here 2 moles of reactant in this product and 4 moles of reactant. So it is negative value. When delta Ng is having negative value, at that time delta H will be how much? This will be removed. So at that time delta H will be less than delta U. Why? Because when they are equal, then it will be delta H is equal to delta U. But when it is negative value, so some amount of internal energy minus this one term, that gives you delta H. It means delta U will be, see here, delta U will be delta H plus XRT. Suppose I decided that X mole and it is negative value. So in such case means contraction in size, means reactants are more. Reactants are more here. Okay, at that time delta U is equal to minus XRT. So delta H is equal to, now we see delta U is equal to delta H plus XRT, means delta U is more than delta H. Clear? And delta Ng is equal to 0 when the constant volume will be there, and there will be no change. That in case of 1 mole, delta Ng is 0. Okay, in this case delta H is equal to delta U. Here delta H is equal to delta U, because carbon burned in oxygen gives CO2. Only gaseous product and reactant considered. Okay, so delta H is 0 at that moment.